Well, here I am with the foot, and what I'm going to do in this little bit here is remove the foot from the presser bar there, and all I have to do is hit that little lever and it drops. Now to reinstall it, hopefully it's going to be just as convenient and simple. So I want to make sure that I'm still kind of lined up, and then I can just drop the bar, and I didn't, there, now we're in there. So that's how simple that is. The next thing I want to show you is I want to re-thread the machine again. There was a part that I missed last time, and a viewer named Ed, he commented on the last video where I was doing the threaded, so I'm gonna, in the next part, I'm gonna re-thread the machine. You might want to take a look at that as well. So I'm going to thread the machine, and what I'm really interested in pointing out this time that I didn't do last time is that the pickup lever here is raised up and it is visible. This will be the fourth time that I've threaded this machine, because it's a new machine and I don't have very much experience. I'm learning how to sew, so I mean right now I'm still learning how to set up this brand new machine that I just bought a few days ago. I think it was last Wednesday or Thursday or something. But anyway, nonetheless, so I'm gonna do that, and like I say, I'm not so concerned with this first part up top here, but I do want to pay attention to that. So as like before, the first place it goes through is that thread guide there, and then number 2 is this one here, and then number 3 is down here, and then we curve around and come up and then down like that. Whoops, I missed. Let me try that again. Isn't that strange? Probably because I needed the thread to be somewhat taut. Hold that there like that, and I'll hold the string up here and there. I think we're in there now. So then we're down there. Okay, here's the thread, and I'm just looping it up at number 4 here, and then I'm taking it up to put it into the pickup lever, and there it is there. So now I'm ready to go ahead and thread the needle. But I wanted to point out, and once I bring the thread up, I just loop it like that, hold it taut, and there. Now it's threaded in the tension device. But I wanted to get a little bit of a clear view on that. Hope that helps. That I had been advised by Ed in the previous movie about this, the previous vid, about threading this, and he had pointed out that in my video I didn't have that visible because it was down there, but it's so simple to thread. The 3 times that I did it without being able to see the pickup lever, it threaded successfully the first time, each time. So it's very simple. I really like the simplicity of these modern machines. You know, the bobbin tension is set at the factory, so that's a real bargain not to have to deal with that. And I'm just starting to get familiar with some of the controls on the machine, because like I said, I'm 100% learner here. You know, I'm not a sewer. I never have been. I've been restoring vintage singers for the last 4 years on this channel, and I've been saying many times in the last 4 years, this will be the week that I start to learn how to sew. I gotta learn how to sew. I need to learn how to sew. But anyway, everything in its time, and here I am with this wonderful machine, and I've got it threaded correctly there. I made my little correction, and I'm gonna post this, and I hope you have a great time with your machines. Stay safe, have fun. Please subscribe. I'd appreciate the support, and we'll chat real soon. We'll come on back together real soon. Adios, amigos. Thank you.